Okay, you probably have a smart device, a handheld computer that can run apps, connect to Wi-Fi and other devices, and take pictures and video. So, what are smart glasses? Well, like many smart devices, they have a display, audio output, built-in camera, and microphone, even GPS. And they can access the internet using built-in Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth connection to your internet-connected smartphone. They even have their own operating system, so you can download and run most apps directly in your smart glasses. So how are smart glasses different? Well, they're not handheld. You wear them. The display rests right in front of your eye, so you don't have to look down. Information is right in your field of view. Next, not only can they record HD video and photos, they can also recognize objects and gestures. And with a microphone, they recognize an array of voice commands. The upshot? The power of a smart device, hands-free and compatible with your favorite apps. Get directions, scan barcodes and find the product online. Stream video from remote cameras. Smart glasses can even connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free phone calls and notifications delivered without needing to pick up your phone. Your digital world, hands-free. I'm Paul Hochman for Amazon.com.
How I kind of saw it was metrics to show, but what we're doing differently is how we show that to the user.
Introducing the CES Innovation Award winner, eyewear video headphones from Vuzix. Vuzix and its founder have been a leader in developing video eyewear products for the past 23 years and have won 20 CES Innovation Awards. Never before has a personal wearable entertainment device offered such incredible video and audio performance. It displays incredible 2D and 3D video and advanced interactive virtual reality. It supports HDMI inputs, works with 3D Blu-ray players, tablets, console systems, PCs, Android, and iPhone. Almost any HDMI source is plug and play. Wearing eyewear headphones is like viewing a 125-inch widescreen home theater from 10 feet away. It has a 55-degree diagonal field of view in a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. The floating display design with minimal face contact makes it super comfortable, so you can wear it for hours and hours. If you're a gamer, the eyewear is perfect for playing intense gaming on a massive video screen that vastly outsizes any home-based flat-screen TV. Well-balanced and very comfortable for long sessions, you simply plug and play, providing an awesome on-screen eyewear experience with head tracking, 3D video and game compatibility, and a large field of view. For MMO and MMOG gamers, the eyewear is perfect for playing remotely with others and being able to talk with the noise-canceling built-in microphones with mic mute.
Smart glasses. You can spot them a mile away. They look geeky, uncomfortable, and distracting. And having a camera stuck to your face, it's kinda creepy. Introducing View, the world's first pair of smart glasses that match your lifestyle and your look. Regular earphones transmit sound through the air, but View's bone conduction speakers transmit it through vibrations. Sent directly to your inner ear, only you can hear it.
Hi, Judy. Let's get today started.
Bone conduction lets you stay aware of your surroundings, even as you enjoy your music. View is built for people who use prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even style frames. At an ultra-light 28 grams, it won't weigh you down. View talks to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you can perform a range of different tasks without checking your phone. Like take a call, hands-free.
You have a call from Leslie.
Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Get directions,
In 200 feet, turn left on 10th Street.
or control your music. View is designed for work and play. It has a water-resistant housing and built-in activity tracking.
You ran 6,000 steps today and burned 350 calories. Nice job.
ThyssenKrupp builds stair lifts, but staircases are all unique, and that makes it very hard to find one stair lift which fits all. Each and every stair lift needs to be customized to make a perfect fit. A chairlift allows our customers to access all floors of their home and be mobile in their own environment.
Selling, manufacturing, and then installation, it all takes quite a while. People need a quick solution. With HoloLens, we started saying, let's look how we can measure stairs differently so it's quicker.
Microsoft HoloLens is a fully self-contained wearable holographic computer. It enables you to interact with your digital content and projects high-definition 3D holograms into the world all around you.
Once we got the hand on the HoloLens, it was an eye-opener for us.
You just put the HoloLens on, and then you scan the staircase, and then start to measure every step. HoloLens guides you through the process.
But that was just the very beginning. We realized that the HoloLens is not just another methodology of measuring a staircase, but is actually performing digital data capturing to the cloud.
With the Azure cloud, we are actually able to transport all the data gathered by the HoloLens to our customer database and our accounting systems in real time and forward it to the manufacturing site where you start production. That is a completely new use. Delivering a product with HoloLens, we could become up to 4 times faster.
We can show the animation like, hey, this is your personal stair lift. With the HoloLens, we can provide that solution faster, and it will actually make the customer's life better. We're getting more and more connected with each other, right? And the HoloLens will play a major role in this connectivity.
There's plenty of potential, and whomever we discuss this with comes up with a new idea, and that's what's so great about it.
With this partnership with Microsoft, ThyssenKrupp will transform homes to make life better. That is a game changer.